Hi, if you're a iPhone user and you want to transfer your iPhone data like photos, videos, document or music from your iPhone to a Samsung device, here's exactly how to transfer data from iPhone to Samsung Mobile. First of all, we have to install Share It app in our iPhone and in our Samsung Mobile. So go to your iPhone App Store and go to your Samsung Mobile Play Store and just search for Share It and go ahead and install Share It app in your iPhone and in your Samsung Mobile. Once successfully installed in your iPhone, launch the Share It app. Now on your iPhone and on your Samsung Mobile, open Share It app. Now to transfer your iPhone photos to your Samsung Mobile, first of all, on your Android phone, just tap on Receive. And in your iPhone, tap on Send. And now select Photos or go to Videos tab to select Videos. And if you want to send also music, go to Music tab, select Music. To transfer files, go to Files tab. And here you will be able to select PDF or any kind of files. Okay, once you selected, now just tap on Send and tap on Connect to Android. And now you have to scan this QR code using your iPhone and just tap on Join. And then your iPhone and your Samsung Mobile will be connected via Share It app. And as you can see, all of my selected photos and videos have been successfully transferred to my Samsung Mobile. So that's how we can easily transfer data from iPhone to Samsung. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.